This is a 1989 Dodge Dakota SE Sport truck. It's a convertible. Has a V6 at 3.9 liter, 125 horsepower. This was the first year that the convertible version of this truck was brought out. Notice the roll bar. It wasn't exactly a hot seller. It only lasted 3 years, 89, 90, and 91. It's the velour upholstery, very nice. They did a nice job on the upholstery, Chrysler did. And the dash was a typical Dakota dash. I had an 89 Dakota, as a matter of fact. This one has power windows, fold down armrest, and there's that top. It's folded, kind of looks a little strange there, sitting on top of the vinyl bed cover here. Nobody else had it, so it was an attempt to move the Dakota higher in the sales charts, but didn't really work. I have a link to a discussion of the sport truck here, so I'll give that to you in the description. Novel, but as they say, not many people wanted it.